Hello everyone, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, we are going to get the Windows 10 or 11 product key. So edition doesn't matter. In this case I'm going to show you for all the versions you can get the product key. So simply open the CMD as admin and run it as administrator and click on yes button when the prompt opens. You might seen this method in many videos. Just you need to copy this. Okay, once you copy that, you just need to like this and your product will be getting here once you have enter it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the product key, but this is not the genuine key which I'm looking for. It might be different, or you may not get the product key with this command. So you need to use the third-party software, and I have been using this software for almost 4 to 5 years. And this product key, go to key finder for Windows, and this is the IT professional for getting the product key. Simply open. Okay, once you open that, go to the download free one, not go with the pro edition. It's just a zip file. You just need to unzip that, and then thereafter you can run it. It's almost, I have already done that for testing purpose, but now I'm going to show you that also. Whichever key you have, like digital license you have, or the another license, purchase license you have, you can simply get the product key. Just right click there and unzip this. Now double click on the finder and you can see it's exe. You just need to double click there, and once you double click on there, click on yes button. Now you will see the windows like this guys. You can look for this CD key. So CD key is your product key, and this is not your key, product ID, and it will give you all the information like which edition you have, whichever Windows you have, username you have. Okay, so you will get the product key exactly what you wanted after finding this. So hope this helps you guys. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching How to Fix Tech.